Good morning and thank you to media colleagues and guests who have attended today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Amanda Shafira, a Starbucks public relation. We really appreciate your presence at Starbucks press conference today. We want to share the latest information regarding the current condition of Starbucks, how we continue to strive to serve customer well, as several other important things that we felt need to be conveyed. On this occasion, we will also explain the steps we have taken and the plans we will implement to continue to improve our service standards. Hopefully, the information we convey today can provide clarity and also become our commitment to do better in the future. Thank you, and let's start this event with presentation on the topic from myself, Anastasia Amalia Aishaku. From the beginning, Starbucks has been determined to be a company like the other. Starbucks wants to celebrate not only coffee and its deserved tradition, but also the warmth of connection. Our mission is to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. Even if it's just a moment, as simple as reaching across the table to pass a delicious cup of coffee to another connection is made. At Starbucks, we make sure every connection is value from the our commitment to quality coffee to the way we engage with our customer and community to run a responsible business. From our first stand-alone Starbucks store to the place we visit, we always try to leave them a little better than we found them. To the boycott movement, number of Starbucks stores have started to become quiet. Uh, One of them is Starbucks in Medan, North Sumatra, according to Al Jazeera report. Starbucks at Focal Point Mall has been observed to be quiet in recent weeks. We see that the current situation is much less busy than usual, although we cannot say for sure why this is happening. It could be due to various factors, such as we are not running any promotion at the moment. We don't know, but no customer have asked us about the boycott. Starbucks global sales are currently down 7% during the July to September quarter, marking the third consecutive quarter with declining sales. For the full fiscal years and September 29, the company global comparable store sales were recorded down to 2%. Earning per share fell 25% years on years to 18 cents per share, while the company consolidated net income fell 3% to $90.1 billion. A significant decline in customer traffic caution consumer climate and investment that did not perform as expected were the main driver of the lower than expected result. Additionally, a challenge in the economic landscape and competition in China to the pressure on the company performance. Revenue in the January-March period fell 2%, while global sales fell 4%, the first decline since 2020. Global sales also fell 3% in the April to June quarter. Thank you for your attention. We at Starbucks have faced significant challenges in recent months. The global boycott involving several brands and franchises, including Starbucks, has had a significant impact on our sales and image. However, we believe that with a strong commitment to human value and our dedication to improving the quality of service, we can restore customer trust. Human value will continue to be a top priority in our marketing effort. We believe that with a focus on ethical principle and our dedication to human rights, we can rebuild customer trust. In the period in the period from November to December, All Starbucks will provide a buy one get one discount for every purchase with PNE payment. We understand too and that there have been a lot of different opinions lately. However, we also want to invite you to experience the warmth and pleasure that we will always provide. At Starbucks, we are committed to providing the best service and a delightful experience for every customer. So let's gather again at your favorite place, enjoy your favorite cup of coffee or tea, and find the warmth in every sip. We are here to serve you with a smile and quality you can count on. Today, we would like to thank you, our customer who have been loyal to us. We believe that with the cooperation of our team and our customer, we can overcome this challenge and become a trust friend again. Let's move forward together towards a bright future. Starbucks is more than just a coffee shop. We are part of our customer everyday life. We believe that every interaction in our stores and should create a sense of community and warmth. We focus on several key strategies. Number one, we encourage barista to get to know customer and provide personalized service, including addressing them by name on their order. Two, the Starbucks app allows customer to easily order and pay and get product recommendation based on their preference. This help reduce wait times and increase convenience. Number three, enjoyable environments. We create a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere and at every location, making Starbucks a third place outside of home in work. Four, employee training. Our barista are trained to provide friendly and informative service, making sure every customer feels valued. Number five, listening to feedback. We actively listen to feedback from customers through platform like My Starbucks idea, which allow them to share suggestion and idea. Thank you to all media partners and attend those press conference. We hope that the explanation that has been provided and can provide clarity and a better understanding of the situation that occurred. We at Starbucks remain committed to listening to all input from customer and various parties and continue to strive to provide the best service in accordance with the value we upheld. Once again, thank you for your attention and support. If you have few further questions, our team is ready to help. Good afternoon and see you.